Namaskar friends, welcome back to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today let's learn some important words in Hindi which will help us understand directions. Friends, the word direction is known as Disha in Hindi, Disha. East is known as Purab Disha or Purva Disha. West is known as Paschim Disha. North is known as Uttar Disha and south is known as Dakshin Disha. Northeast is known as Uttar Purab Disha. Northwest is known as Uttar Paschim Disha. Southeast is known as Dakshin Purab Disha and southwest is known as Dakshin Paschim Disha. Now friends, let's look at words used for different cities in Hindi. Metropolis is known as Mahanagar. City is known as Sheher. Town is known as Chota Sheher and a village is known as Gaon in Hindi. Now friends, let's look at names of important terms while navigating or following directions on the GPS or by word of mouth. Road is known as Sadak in Hindi. Highway is known as Rajmarg. 6-lane highway is known as 6-lane Chaudi Sadak. 6-lane Chaudi Sadak. Unpaved road is known as Kachi Sadak. Trail is known as Pagdandi. Turns or curves are known as Mode. So the pronunciation of D is as of Ada, as in Sadak. If we have to say that the road has many turns or curves, we will say सड़क पर बहुत सारे मोड़ हैं. सड़क पर बहुत सारे मोड़ हैं. A sharp turn would be referred to as andha mode. Andha mode or a blind turn. Tunnel is known as surang, also referred to commonly as tunnel. A narrow road is known as Sakri Sadak. Speed breakers are known as Gati Rodhak. Zebra crossing is known as zebra crossing. A bridge is known as Pul in Hindi. River is known as Nadi. To cross is known as Par Karna. So if we have to say to cross the road, it would be Sadak Par Karna. To cross the bridge would be Pul Par Karna. To cross the river would be Nadi Par Karna. Potholes are known as Gaddhe in Hindi. Gaddhe. Water on road is known as Sadak Par Pani Bhara Hai. If the car is broken down, then we would say गाड़ी खराब हो गई है. गाड़ी खराब हो गई है. Stop means रुकिए. Go means चलिए. Traffic signal is known as लाल बत्ती in Hindi. लाल बत्ती. Front is known as सामने. To go straight would be सीधे चलो. Keep going straight would be सीधे चलते चलो. Back would be पीछे. To go backwards would be पीछे जाओ. Turn right would be दाएं मुड़िए. Towards right would be दाहिने तरफ. Turn left would be बाएं मुड़िए and towards left would be बाएं तरफ. Drive slowly would be धीरे चलिए. Reduce speed would be गति धीरे करिए. Slippery road would be सड़क पर फिसलन. सड़क पर फिसलन. A roundabout would be known as गोल चक्कर. Crossroads are known as चौराहा. 3-road intersection is known as तिराहा. Far is दूर, so the pronunciation of D is the same as the THE, दूर. Near is pass. Now friends, let's practice our skills in real life situations. सीधे चलिए, दाएं मुड़िए, बाएं मुड़िए, सीधे चलते चलिए, चलते चलिए, बाएं मुड़िए, दाएं मुड़िए और सीधे चलते चलिए। Let's understand with the help of another example. सीधे चलिए, बाएं मुड़िए, बाएं मुड़िए, पहली सड़क पर दाएं मुड़िए, आप अपने स्थान पर पहुंच गए हैं। So friends, I hope you liked this video and found it useful to learn important terms while understanding directions in Hindi. Please do like, subscribe and share this video. Friends, I would love to hear your comments. Please share your thoughts with me. And thank you so much for your time. And I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.